Welcome. You've arrived here today for a good reason. You're about to discover how to make a financially positive improvement in your life. How to establish a part or even full-time income stream from the comfort of your own home. And get more enjoyment from your work than you ever thought possible. If that sounds attractive, please stay with me to the end of this video, as I have a complimentary gift for you that will show you the step-by-step process and how to get started immediately. You might have 101 personal reasons why the work-from-home business is so attractive. It could be that you're tired of earning too little money for too much effort, fed up of that needless 2-hour daily commute to and from your place of work, bored with working on somebody else's dream rather than developing your own, totally sick with interacting with your moron boss and so-called superiors. Whatever your reasons, it's time to face reality. Our time here is finite, and every day we have 24 hours left to live. So use it wisely, every second. Trading time for money is a mug's game, unless it satisfies you, which I doubt. If, however, you'd prefer to work shorter hours which suit you and the lifestyle that you'd like to lead, generate a higher income for far less effort, work from the comfort of your own home or from wherever you wish, then you've arrived at the right place. If you follow the information I'm about to share with you, then you can use it to improve and mold your lifestyle exactly as you wish. Who am I? For more than 30 years, I lived the envied lifestyle I've just described above. I've worked for myself, running mainly my own small work-from-anywhere business. Just me, really enjoyable work and an envied income. So I come well qualified. I specialize in generating residual income streams, which means I set them up just once, optimize them for maximum profit generation, then they run on autopilot 24/7, generating me profits night and day without complaint. They make money for me while I sleep or even while I'm away on holiday. Nothing is better than making money while you sleep. I have many such automated profit streams. I'm about to show you how to achieve the same if you're interested. No BS, no padding, the exact formula I use on an almost daily basis. So let me whet your appetite by telling you a little about my lifestyle. I love the sun and have 2 homes situated on 2 different beachfront locations. One in the lovely West Country in the UK, the other in Cebu in the Philippines. Right now I still have a 16-year-old son who's reliant on Dad's taxi, but soon he'll be driving. Then I think I'll spend November until May in Cebu enjoying average daily temperatures of 30 degrees. I love what I do with a passion, and that's why at 62 I have no intention of stopping. My work is so enjoyable and engaging, I literally leap out of bed just to get started most mornings. Okay, you've got it. You understand I have a great lifestyle. And if you're interested, that you can have similar or even better. So before I give you the formula for work from home success, let me dispel 4 very self-limiting myths that you may be harboring. Fabrications that may have stopped you from taking action in the past. 1. You don't need lots of money to start a home-based business. In fact, you probably have most of what you need to get started already. 2. There are many opportunities out there waiting for you to get behind them. Some will be absolutely perfect for you. 3. You can start very part-time, in just a few hours a week until you're ready to grow and expand. 4. Most new businesses fail. Now this sadly is very true. However, this refers mainly to expensive brick-and-mortar startups such as restaurants, etc. Not home-based businesses where you can spread your risk across multiple profit streams. They rarely fail so much as they never get started. Why does this happen? The big problem is this. Most individuals don't have a clue when it comes to managing their time for financial success. The actions they have to take to put daily work-from-home income in the bank. These are the rarely mentioned actions that make the big and positive difference. Once you understand them, things get far easier. So, a close work-from-home friend, FaithPepper, and I have a gift for you. We've put together the essential work-from-home action plan for unlimited and ongoing success. Faith has recorded them as a series of really valuable videos, and they're yours for nothing. Just imagine, armed with these, you'll quite quickly find financial success, so long as you use them. To get immediate access to this series of videos and your own private membership area, click the link immediately below this video. I look forward to seeing you at the top.